Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you delicious recipe of black chickpea masala. So let's check out the ingredients we need to make this recipe. For this, here I have taken 1 cup of black chickpea or kala chana as you have seen here. I have soaked this overnight. If you don't have time, you can soak it for 6 to 7 hours, and this is how it looks like after soaking overnight, and this is the difference. Now this is the first one before soaking and this is the one after soaking overnight. You have seen the difference in size, and these are the boiled black chickpeas or kala chana. Put that into the pressure cooker and take 3 whistles. Add little bit of salt. So we are going to use this boiled black chana in the recipe. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 pinch of ASAFETIDA or HING, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, let the oil hot. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it crackle and saute it for about couple of seconds. After that, add 2 chopped green chilies or according to your taste, and now saute it for about a minute. Now mix all the dry ingredients except the cumin seeds, garam masala into the turmeric, coriander powder, pinch of hing. Now take 2 to 3 teaspoon of water and add water in the dry ingredients and mix it properly. Make sure there is no lumps, and this is how it looks like. It's ready. Now pour this into the oil and you will notice it starts bubbling, so be careful and keep on stirring until it starts leaving the oil. It will take about a minute. Make sure to do it on low medium flame. After that, add 1 medium sized chopped tomato as you have seen here, and now mix it with the gravy. Give it a quick mix and you will notice it is slightly dry. Now add 1 tablespoon of water in it and give it a quick mix, and now add half teaspoon of salt in it because we have already added the salt in the black chana. Now mix the salt in the tomatoes. It will help to cook the tomatoes quickly. Now cover and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on low medium flame, and then I will show you. After 3 minutes, open the lid and you will notice it starts leaving the oil. That means it's properly cooked. And now with the help of spatula, press the tomatoes and you will notice the tomatoes became so soft. Now you have to saute it for about 1 or 2 minutes until it starts again leaving the oil. At this point, add these boiled black chickpea or kala chana into the prepared gravy and give it a quick mix. Make sure the heat is on medium flame at this point. Now cover it and cook it for another 2-3 minutes so that all the aroma absorbs. After 3 minutes, open the lid and it smells so good, and give it a quick mix again. Garnish it with some coriander or cilantro. Switch off the gas and the black chickpea masala or kala chana masala is ready. Give it a quick mix and you have already seen by the texture it's already looks so yummy. And this is the easier way. You can make black chickpea masala without using onion, garlic. And if you like this easy recipe of kala chana masala, then do let me know in the comment section below how you like this recipe. And if you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.